Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How have to be? Assalamu alaikum dear friends. How have to be? Welcome back dear friends my YouTube channel at a project pattern. Hopefully friends you will be fine spending a good and lavish life. So friend most welcome my YouTube channel at a project pattern. Hopefully friends you will be fine spending a good and lavish life. I introduce in this platform beautiful crochet mobile covers, and these are very beautiful handmade mobile covers. These are very beautiful. Friends, you will be enjoy these crochet ideas which I shared with you. Crochet mobile covers in this video I shared with you. Hopefully you will be enjoy. These are very beautiful and luxurious ideas which I shared with you. And you will begin different type of thinking ideas which I shared with you in this pics. Introduce new and great crochet thinking ideas which are completely different to each other, and you will begin different type of thinking ideas. तो नीचे 60 आना है ना, यहाँ से देख के लिखो। तो ये तो लिख लो, ये इसका तो लिखो और इसका 1 और 1. These are very beautiful. I hope friends you will enjoy my ideas which I shared through this. They are very beautiful and luxurious. They are very beautiful and unique designs which I shared with you in this video. Hopefully friends you will enjoy my great and crochet tricks ideas that are completely different to each other. Subscribe my channel, like my ideas. Hopefully friends you will enjoy these ideas which I shared with you in this video, and you will begin different type of thinking ideas. So friends will enjoy these crochet criteria which I shared with you in this video. So friends subscribe my channel, like my ideas which I shared with you in this video, and friends upload this video you will begin different type of thinking ideas. Thank you so much dear friends for watching this video at the last. Inshallah next time I will meet you.